video of him crawling. Now that I'm in and stuff. Buddy, come get that. Go get it. Go get it. I'll leave it right there for you. Good job, you got it. Oh, yep, you lost it. You have to bring it over here. To put it right there. Go get it.
Come here.
It's all yours. If you get it, you can have it.
Come here, little man. Now he has no incentive to crawl.
Yes, he does. Alright, go get it, bud. Go get it. Say, go, baby, go. Go. Go get it. Go get it.
Me too.
No, not you. This is to see if David can get it.
Yeah.
Come on, little man. Come here.
Get it, Danielle. Did he get it?
Yeah.
Think we should see if he'll go get more?
Yeah.
Go get it. Go get it. Think we should have more races? All right, bud. I'm ready to take it. You ready? Go. Go, go. It's right here. It's right there. Go get it. Oh, I think he's going to beat you.
Oh, he's a good little swimmer.
David, come get this. Come get it. We're going to scoot back this way to see if David will go get it. You going to go get it, mister? You do. How about you get Dad? Thank you. All right. Watch out, Danielle. Can you go back by your door? There. Go get it, David. Get it. Get it. Get it, David. David. Get it, get it.
I'm going to call interference on that one.
All right. Now go get it. You gotta let him get one once.
Not me.
David, come here.
Hold on. Wait, Daniel. Ouch. Wait.